What's up, guys? Righteous Talk TV, Bree here. I just wanted to pop my face in as an introduction. I'm gonna give you guys a full renovation video of my bathroom, how I did it from start to finish, and I really hope you guys like it. Bye. So first things first, I needed to take out this tub. I really hated the tub. So in the next clip, it shows the demolishing phase. He started by knocking down the walls, um, uprooting the drywall, taking out the tub, and everything like that. As you can see here, you see that the tub is fully gone. He actually made a hole in the left side of the tub so we can change the shower. So we changed the drains and we changed the pipes so we can have the beautiful rainfall shower, as you can see. Next, you see here that this is the clip where he actually changed the plumbing from one side to another. And he actually also made the ceiling higher so my shower could be higher. For some reason, it was super low. Like, that's where the ceiling stopped. Where the gray stopped, that's where the old ceiling stopped. So he just made it higher, as you could see. I love this contractor. He did an amazing job. Like, the fact that he even knew to do that, I'm like, yeah, you got to do all my renovations. This is my first renovation, and I'm just like so happy. He did an awesome job. You're gonna see why he moved the drain in the middle instead of on the side. Um, I can't wait till y'all see the ending. Like, you're gonna be super shocked. Now it's time for tiling. Once he started the tiling, I was like, oh yeah, like I can really see my vision come to fruition. At first, I was just gonna put tile in the shower and put the paint on the walls, but at the last minute, I was like, why not just tile the entire shower and the entire wall? So that's what I did. So it could look like more seamless and more high class. I was going for a hotel type vibe. So I think it just made sense to tile the whole entire like wall. Next, you can see that it's almost done, guys. You could basically see that everything is done. The only thing it looks like it's missing is like a shower curtain, right? I don't know. We're gonna see if I end up putting a shower curtain. But you see the drain, like how the drain is in the middle? That's why he moved the plumbing to the middle. Now you guys are about to see the transition. Time for the reveal. Y'all see this shower? Do you see how beautiful this came out? Like, this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what's gonna make me comfortable at night. Money well spent. No, it wasn't cheap, but it was well worth it. And if you want to make your space more livable, more comfortable for you, do it. No matter how much it costs, you need to do it because you're gonna be happy. Like, look at me playing with the door. Like, I actually have a door in my shower. What? Oh, and look at the vanity. Am I gonna show you guys the vanity? I think I am. Yeah, look at the vanity. Oh my gosh. I love the vanity and I love the mirror. The mirror is like an iPad type of thing. Like, you can, it's like touchscreen. Like, spend your money. Spend your money on things that you love. Before, look how ugly it is. This is the before, and this is after. Hope you guys enjoyed.